Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, a silent world of survival begins.
Here, every sound, every movement can mean life or death. A perfect predator waits, patient, silent, unstoppable. Somewhere nearby, an unaware life steps closer to danger. In the Amazon, hesitation is the difference between hunger and survival. But the forest floor is not the only place where death waits. Beneath the water, another hunter watches in silence. One careless moment, and the jungle takes back what it gave. Even the sky of the Amazon belongs to predators.
Rain renews the Amazon, but danger never fades.
Rain renews the Amazon, but danger never fades. Even the smallest lives struggle to survive.
In the Amazon, beauty often hides deadly power. Silent hunters move without warning, guided only by instinct.
Water gives life, and quietly takes it away. Every shadow in the Amazon hides a story of survival. For the watchful, danger is never far. Sometimes the hunter is felt, long before it is seen. The water listens, waiting for the perfect moment. Patience is the deadliest weapon of all. Night reveals a different kingdom of survival. Life moves quickly, or disappears forever. Hunger drives every fragile step. And the hunter returns once more. In the Amazon, survival never pauses. Precision is stronger than power.
Fear spreads faster than sound.
Stealth decides who lives and who fades away. Death can move without a sound. Instinct senses danger before the eyes can see it. One mistake is enough. When vision fades, instinct must lead. Darkness sharpens the hunters. No warning is ever given. The jungle answers instantly. Some hunters remain forever unseen. Even in darkness, life continues to shine. Power moves quietly through the shadows. Above it all, the watchers remain. The forest remembers every struggle. Every voice tells a story of survival. In the end, everything returns to silence. Yet the story never truly ends.